Eat Lightning. Shit Thunder is the debut album by post-hardcore band An Albatross. It was released in 2001 on enhanced CD, Bloodlink Records, and 12-inch vinyl. When Humans Attack. The album's sound is an odd mix of death metal, grindcore, circus music, jazz, 8-bit, dance music, hardcore punk, and countless others into its extremely chaotic sound. It is considerably more heavy metal music influenced than the band's later work, and is arguably the band's most chaotic. Track listing: Birds 0, 19. Pennsylvania Inferno 0, 24. Mother's Day came a little early this year 0, 47. You Can't Take That Hot Rod With You When You Go 0, 59. Channel 96 0, 44. Uncle Funky Pants 0, 49. Electric Suits and Cowboy Boots 107. I Live the Good Life 103. Voices. The Man-Eating Pig of Maddie D 207. The Great Sarcophagus 143. Culver. Bussy Nocturne in BB 0, 56.